flying on a paper airplane must be so magical. With your help, magical is about to become unfreaking believable. This is Shai, a pilot, an industrial designer, and an inventor. He is a world-known expert in cool stuff that flies. 2 years ago, Shai was challenged by his friend to create a smartphone-controlled paper airplane. Thanks to 21,000 backers on Kickstarter, he made it happen. People all over the world are now controlling paper planes from their smartphones with PowerUp 3. Shai proudly came back to his friend and his friend said, "Wow, that is magical. But you can't put a live streaming camera on a paper airplane." Shai thought for a minute and said, "Challenge accepted." Now, after 2 years of testing and prototyping, meet Shai's new unfreaking believable invention. PowerUp FPV. The first ever paper airplane drone with a live streaming camera. Using state-of-the-art technology, PowerUp FPV lets you see what your plane sees. To put it in different words, you feel as if you are flying through the air, riding a paper airplane. Yes, PowerUp FPV makes your regular paper plane look like a kitty next to a lion, riding a T-Rex. Just take a piece of paper, fold it into a plane, and attach the module. Put your phone in the cardboard viewer, and you're ready to fly. The camera streams live video to an app on your very own smartphone sitting in the head-mounted goggles. To control your plane, just tilt your head lightly. And there's also a gamepad mode for when you feel like handheld control. PowerUp FPV's camera can swivel around. That's how you also get wing view and back view, so you can see this defining moment in your life. Look, it's you flying a PowerUp FPV. Shai wanted to create the most immersive real-time experience. That's why he partnered with the good folks at Parrot, world experts in wireless streaming and creators of the AR drone. With their help, PowerUp FPV streams live video over Wi-Fi from over 300 feet. To make the experience really smooth, PowerUp FPV has a ton of sensors and an onboard computer with real-world autopilot mode, making it nearly uncrashable. Nearly unfreaking believable.
Imagine if you didn't have to get your phone out for every little thing. What if there was a simpler way to interact with your devices? Flick is a wireless button that connects to your iOS or Android device. So instead of going through your phone, you simply press the button. That's better. I use the Flick app to set it up, and then I can stick Flick wherever I want. I can even share this Flick with my roommate, so he can use it when I'm not around. The Flick isn't just for your house. You can stick your Flicks anywhere, like in your car or on your bike.
Head straight.
It's really cool.
Your destination is on the left.
And you can clip your Flicks. It's great for any situation where you need a quick and discreet shortcut.
Me.
Like now.
Me.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I have to take this. But Flick can be so much more than just a shortcut to your phone. It can be integrated with lots of different services beyond your devices. Check this one out. Take me home, Cabby. And when I get home, I want everything to just take care of itself. Shh! Movie's starting. Another great feature of Flick is that it can be used as a safety device. With just a push of a button, you can send live updates of your location or even a distress signal to your family and friends.
Cut! It's a wrap!
All right, good job. Finally. Good job, man. Anyone wants pizza?
Yeah.
Nice.
Hey, hang on guys, let me grab a quick selfie first.
Sure. All right, yeah.
Me and the Flick team.
Woohoo!
Let's go channel.
All right, you guys ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Flick!
All right.
Everyday objects of our lives are constantly evolving. Phones have become handheld computers. Cars are smarter and cleaner. Watches have turned into personal assistants. But what about our shoes? We spend most of our lives wearing them, but besides fashion designs, they have seen little evolution in the last few decades. We bend over to tie them, to untie them. They come undone. They get stuck in our bike chain. We leave the laces tied all the time and damage our shoes. Sure, we have Velcro shoes and zippers, but you still have to bend over, and they don't fit nearly as firmly as good old laces. At Power Lace, we wanted to figure out a way to create shoes that fit firmly and comfortably without ever having to lace or unlace them. We decided to think differently, and we found a solution. We are proud to introduce the P1. Our new auto-lacing system allows for efficient hands-free shoelace tying. The first time you wear them, slide your foot in, adjust the tension once, and you're set. You'll never have to bend over again. To take off the shoes, use your other foot to press down on the back lever. It's that simple.
It's a nice product. It's very streamlined, it's not bulky, a thin sole. A lot of companies have big bulky soles. Kevlar lace on any product is a definite advantage. Been working in the industry for 25 years. I've seen 2 pairs of Kevlar laces broken.
Power Lace shoes will simplify tasks of everyday life, allowing you to take advantage of a snug shoe fit while on the go.
In my 15 years in the footwear industry, I've never seen such innovation. They are comfortable, they are very stable too. So yeah, I think it's amazing.
Our shoes are made of the very best materials and combine proven shoe design with our innovative technology. We have working prototypes and have met with manufacturers. We are ready to start production. Our very first men's shoe, the P1, will soon be available in many different colors. Help us make auto-lacing shoes a reality. Pre-order your pair today and become a Power Lacer.
Hello, my name is Colibri. I'm a connected toothbrush. Surprised? Well, wait until you see what I can do for you and your family. I'm here to make your smile brighter than ever. What if you could make toothbrushing a fun and productive experience for the whole family? What if you could get real-time, precise information that could improve your dental health day after day? I can show you in real time where to brush and for how long, step by step. Just follow my lead. I'll be your coach, and with me you'll never miss a spot. Toothbrushing every day is important for the health of your children, but most kids think it's boring. They don't have the motivation to brush, right? Hey Emily, ready to smash the high score? With the game Go Pirate, toothbrush time becomes a real fun adventure for your children. They stay focused throughout and brush their teeth better than ever. Yay! Mom, Dad, and kids, I record and store all of your individual brushing habits. I analyze your data to provide your personalized Colibri Index, a unique scale based on your regularity, your brushing time, and the quality of your brushing. Now you can challenge each other every day with points, levels, and collectible badges. Hello, family fun. Goodbye, tooth decay and cavities. You might call it intelligence at play. It's time to redefine the toothbrush and bring it to the next level. Join us in this brand new experience for your bathroom. Have fun, get connected, get healthy, get Colibri.
So we started with an interesting question. Why is it so hard to eat right, or to get to the gym, or to cut back on bad habits? And the answer is surprising. Most of us are pursuing the benefits of good health, but because these benefits take so long to achieve, they're actually really poor motivators. In fact, research has shown that pursuing short-term, concrete rewards is far more motivating.
And that's why we built K-Safe. K-Safe is a smart, lockable container that only opens when goals have been accomplished. It crams years of economic research from MIT and other leading universities into a beautiful and fun product that helps us stay motivated and achieve our goals. The process is simple. Place something you enjoy into K-Safe, then Use the app to lock KSafe and set a single or a recurring goal. Once locked, KSafe will only unlock once you've achieved your goal. There are no overrides. That's all there is to it. Because KSafe is powered by the things you love, you always stay motivated. Hit your goal, enjoy the cookies, TV remote, iPad, or whatever you had locked up, pat yourself on the back, and repeat.
Right now, there are 3 types of goals that you can customize. First, there are activity goals. Lock KSafe until you've taken a certain number of steps or covered enough distance. For example, only allow yourself to snacks on days that you've been really active or gone on a run. You can pair with your fitness tracker or let the app keep track by itself. Next, there are location goals. This one's great for the weightlifters or students. Throw in the TV remote or weed and set KSafe to only unlock on days that you've checked into a location like a gym or a library. Finally, there are time goals. Tell KSafe to only open at certain times of the day, week, or month, or simply put the lock on a timer. And if you like things simple, KSafe can automatically lock and reload previous goals. The app provides a fun way to track progress and review past goals. And we plan to continuously enable new goals based on what you, our backers, find useful.
Before KSafe, we built the Kitchen Safe, which actually applies a subset of the same research principles.
And we were amazed to hear what people achieved with our first product. From losing weight, to quitting smoking, to helping professional athletes maintain a strict diet. We were thrilled to receive incredible national recognition from Shark Tank, The Today Show, Time Magazine, and just recently PBS News even called it life-changing.
We've learned so much from our customers, and we've taken everything we've learned and more and put that into KSafe.
It's a beautiful product, and we hope you love it as much as we do. Order yours today and back something that helps us stay motivated and achieve.